The aroma of Lao Gan Ma blends with warm udon. Garlic and crunchy chili create deep, comforting flavor. A quick mix with egg yolk turns it into simple comfort. Let's make this cozy bowl together.